Hello guys, and welcome to this amazing effect where I'm going to be showing you how to use Doctor Strange's power. Yeah, this is called multiverse effect, but let me show you what it looks like. See, you can see, I mean you can be your Doctor Strange right from your bedroom. So this is how to use this effect. All you have to do is go to this website and higgsfield.ai, scroll on choose the multiverse effect on the visual effects section. After signing in or signing up, now scroll here and this is just click on generate, and you'll be brought to a page where you have to just upload your image. And after uploading your image, you can describe the scene you want, and after that you can choose the model you want to use to generate your video. But I advise you leave it as the default model, because this default model works best with that particular effect, and you changing it may not guarantee you the best results. But in cases where you're actually trying to minimize your credit usage, or you can just change it to this one. Higgsfield light is my personal favorite. You can see that it has changed from 10 to 5 credits per user. This will allow me to maximally utilize my credits throughout the project, all my projects. So these are the examples of the ones I've created. So once you're done, click on generate, and after that, after some minutes, you see your video uh generates from in this area here. So after that, you can now download it to your system, and that's it, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please do have a great day, and subscribe to my channel as we're actively trying to grow. If you have any questions, let me also know in the comment section.